Hello everyone, and welcome to my workshop. Today I'm very excited to show you my new project. This here is the Heathkit Hero ETW18 robot. And this model is very special to me because it's the first real robot that I ever saw. When I was in middle school, we had an assembly, and these guys came in, did a bunch of science experiments, which, they were cool and all, but when they brought the Hero out, that's what really blew my mind. See, I knew robots like R2-D2 weren't real, and yet here was this adorable little trash can with a robot arm saying hello to us all. Hero followed the presenter around on stage, did several demos, and all of it with a charm that to this day has captivated me. And from that moment, I knew I had to have one. So after some research, I learned that Hero stands for Heathkit Educational Robot, and it was a kit that could be had for the low price of only $1,500. Or, if you wanted it assembled and not in kit form, $2,500. And so, 9-year-old me was crushed, and the dreams of owning a Hero with it may as well have been $1 million. Fast forward 25 years, and Heroes are rare. Heathkit only made about 14,000 of them, and I've been scouring the web trying to find a good one, but they're either complete and in great condition with a really big price tag, or they're really beat up and still kind of expensive. So after a few years of searching, I finally settled on this one here. It's missing a few parts, most notably its body panels, but it's in otherwise fairly good condition. So I'm going to document my restoration and share it with everyone in hopes that Hero will again bring joy to those around him. In my next video, I will be going through Hero and coming up with a list of things that I'll either need to repair or source. So if you enjoy this type of content, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.